Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Yajamani POS system. In this video, we will discuss about the invoice settings. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to settings and then go to invoice settings. So here you can add multiple number of invoices. So I have added only one, the default invoice. So if you want to add another one, so simply click on add and here you can give a name and you can save it here. Okay, or else if you want to edit this, so you can go to action and click on edit. So here you can give any prefix or start from or the number of digits. Okay, so this number of digits uh, is the, so if you don't know anything about this, simply put your cursor here. So number of digits is the length of the invoice number excluding invoice prefix. Okay, so I have given as a 4 digit. So if your invoices are more in number, then you can change it to 5 or 6 accordingly. Okay, so invoice count is the total number of invoices generated from this invoice scheme, default invoice scheme. So the invoice will be start from 1. Okay, and if you want to give any prefix, you can give a prefix also. Okay, and another thing is invoice layouts. So here I have only one default invoice. So the invoice layouts, so if you go to invoice layouts, you can click here and here you will see all the invoice layouts like layout, name, design. So here you can change, so invoice logo, if you want to change invoice logo, you can choose a file from here and you can change it. So if you want to add a header text, you can add it here, so subheading, line and all those things. So here there are many options are there, so you can use any one of them or all of the shown according to your business needs. So I have enabled this show location name on the invoice. So if you want to show a salesperson's name also, then you can enable this. Okay, and then if you want to show commission agent, then you can enable this. Okay, and if you want to show the business name also, you can enable this. So like this you can enable or disable what are all the options available according to your particular business needs. Okay, so if you go to product label or show SKU or show warranty expire date or anything, or if you want to add any custom field, you can add also, and if you want to show the product image, you can show a product image also. Okay, and coming to this amount subtotal label, and then if you want to show payment information, you can show it also, or else if you can delete disable that, and if you want to show total balance due all sales, you can enable this or else disable that. Okay, and if you want to add any footer text, you can add it here. Okay, and if you want to add any QR code, so you can add it here, or if you want to show the business name, you can enable this. Okay, and if you want to show any invoice URL, you can enable this. So like this you can add you can enable or disable of all the options available in this section, invoice layout, according to your particular business needs. And after all this, you have to come to down and you can update it. Okay, so this is how the invoice layouts will be updated. And if you want to add any another invoice, so you can simply add another invoice also. Okay, so right now I am using this default invoice, and if you want to add any other invoice also, you can add it from here. Okay, so this is how you can use this invoice setting option from the Yajamani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.